Ganesh is a senior maintenance manager at XYZ Motors Limited. One day, while checking a machine on the factory floor, he notices that an Omron photoelectric sensor is not working. It needs to be replaced immediately to avoid production delays.
This sensor needs to be replaced immediately, or the entire line will face delays.
Ganesh quickly takes out his phone and calls Mohan from ABC Automation Private Limited. They are one of his trusted suppliers.
Hi Mohan, I urgently need 10 pieces of the Omron photoelectric sensor. I'll share the model number on WhatsApp.
Sure, sir. Please send it to me. I will arrange it as soon as possible.
After the call, Ganesh sends the part number to Mohan via WhatsApp. Mohan receives Ganesh's message and immediately starts contacting his regular suppliers. He spends over an hour calling multiple vendors, but none of them have the sensor in stock. Ganesh follows up with Mohan to check on the status of his requirement.
Mohan, any updates on the sensor?
I am still checking, sir.
Please try to arrange it quickly. We have an audit this week.
I will update you by the end of the day.
Thanks, Mohan.
Mohan feels worried, thinking about how to solve the problem.
How am I going to arrange this? Ganesh is one of my loyal customers.
As Mohan brainstorms a solution, he remembers IndMall, a trusted B2B marketplace for industrial products. He quickly opens Google, searches for IndMall, and clicks the website. On their website, IndMall provides 4 contact options: call, email, chat, and WhatsApp. Mohan chooses the simplest and quickest option, WhatsApp, for an immediate response. Using WhatsApp, Mohan contacts IndMall and shares the details of the required sensor. Hi, this is Mohan from ABC Automation Private Limited. We are looking for Omron E3F8DP12, quantity 10 numbers. Can we get the price and availability? Reply from IndMall. Hi sir, good morning. Thanks for your valuable inquiry. Give me a minute. We will check your requirements and we will connect the 3 right suppliers. IndMall's system scans its network of verified suppliers and identifies 3 vendors who are dealing with Omron photoelectric sensors. IndMall shares those 3 vendors' details with Mohan and shared Mohan's requirement with all 3 vendors. Within minutes, the 3 vendors contacted Mohan and provided their quotations with price and availability. Mohan reviewed all 3 quotes carefully, comparing prices and delivery timelines. He decided to go with ABC Controls Private Limited as they offered the best price and had the sensors in stock. Mohan placed the order with ABC Controls, who immediately dispatched the sensors. Mohan ensured the sensors were delivered on time to XYZ Motors Limited. The next morning, the delivery person handed the sensors to Ganesh. He felt very happy and relieved with Mohan's timely support. After receiving the materials, Ganesh immediately called Mohan.
Thanks, Mohan. The sensors arrived just in time. You've saved us from a major delay.
That's why we are here, sir, to make things easier for you.
With the sensor replaced, the machine at XYZ Motors is running smoothly again. Ganesh is relieved, and Mohan reflects on how IndMall has simplified his work. Do you want to know more details about IndMall?
IndMall is a trusted B2B marketplace connecting buyers and sellers in the industrial automation sector. At present, IndMall collaborates with 50+ verified suppliers, offering a comprehensive selection of industrial products. Our trusted suppliers deal with 60+ leading global brands, including but not limited to Siemens, Omron, Mitsubishi, Delta, Schneider Electric, Autonix, Panasonic, SMC, Festo, SICK, Danfoss, Pepperl-Fuchs, Weidmuller, Phoenix Contact, and many more.
By the end of 2025, IndMall is set to expand significantly. We aim to onboard 1,000+ trusted suppliers, include 1,000+ top industrial automation brands. These brands cover diverse categories like sensors, pneumatics, hydraulics, vacuum technology, and other automation essentials. This expansion will further cater to industries seeking high-quality products in automation, ensuring seamless operations across sectors.
Why choose IndMall?
For buyers, IndMall simplifies procurement by connecting you to multiple trusted suppliers, allowing you to compare prices, delivery timelines, and stock availability all in one place. For sellers, partner with IndMall to reach verified customers actively seeking industrial products, ensuring high-quality leads for your business.
Get in touch.
Want to buy? Contact IndMall for reliable and quick solutions to your industrial automation needs. Want to sell? Reach out to the IndMall vendor team and start connecting with verified buyers. IndMall, your go-to marketplace for industrial automation solutions.